Greeting guys. So this is what I'm looking at today. But before I do that, can you subscribe to my channel and like this video and share this video if you are getting knowledge or if you are getting value from what I'm doing here. So let's get into it. Let me recap what happened yesterday. When I was doing my analysis yesterday, gold were somewhere here. Yeah, gold is already touching this zone. And I told you guys that I would like to buy gold from this zone, but I'm not going to look for buy. I'm not going to buy gold instantly, immediately. But I'm going to wait until I see something like this from this zone before I can look for a buy somewhere here, which didn't happen. I didn't see the setup, so I didn't take a buy that yesterday, and this gold took out this zone. So I escaped this loss, and I told you guys that if gold take out this zone, if gold broke this zone and come back, we should look for a sell. But I also warned you guys because gold has been buying, and you should be careful about the sell. So when gold get to this zone, I didn't take a sell. I just wait for me to see another setup for me to take a sell. So when this, I call this bullish engulfing because this candle engulfed this candle totally. So when gold broke this particular candle and also formed this pattern here, you can see that you can call it here higher high, lower low, and higher low. Then this particular candle broke it. So when gold broke it and come back to retest it, I took a sell here. And when this thing dropped, it gave me like 1 to 2. We can see that it's over 130 pips, 1 to 2 plus. But I was waiting for it to come to this zone before I would close. So I'll be having like 1 to 4 plus. But unfortunately, it didn't happen. And this particular one drop, reject, and this one go back to my entry and before I started dropping. And when this one started coming up, I kind of losing interest for the trade because of this level here that it refused to break because this one came to it reject, this one reject. So all this rejection made me kind of close my trade on like 1 to 1. Yeah, close the trade somewhere here, like 1 to 1. Yeah. So but now this is what is happening here. Later get to this zone, drop this two body of second candle. So I don't know if it's going to take out this low or not. But this is what I'm looking at now. But before I do this, just know that there is CPI today. So I will advise you to wait until they release the CPI before you can take any trade. Because don't surprise, this gold might start ranging or not to do anything until they release CPI today. So I will advise you to just wait after the CPI, then you can look for a setup. So what I'm looking at now is if gold take out this low, come back to retest it, I will look for a sell. And first, I will not just jump into this sell immediately, no, because you can see there is support here. So dropping here, gold is already touching this support, the shadow, all this in there, all the same. It's already touching it. So breaking this level touching here, I don't know whether this zone here we hold because of where it's already retesting on. So that's why I'm not going to enter the sell instantly. No, I will wait and see any sign of setup here, maybe bearish engulfing or whatever setup here before I can take the sell. And this is what I also look out for a buy because this This gold now is already touching this support in the shadow and expecting to get to the body. So if I see something like this, if this gold can buy and take out this high, then come back to it, I will look for a buy. And this buy, I believe that it will go far. I will also target more than 1 to 4 or even 1 to 4 because I believe that it will go far. So this is the two pattern I'm looking at today to take a trade. But this might be after the CPI news, because I don't want a situation whereby CPI news will go against you. Maybe the CPI will affect the technical. Yeah, fundamental can affect the technical. So if you can wait after the CPI, you trade is okay, because now this is 11:13 a.m. We have like 3 hours 30 minutes or 3 hours 20 minutes for them to release the CPI. So 3 hours 20 minutes is like only 3 candle, but this is a 1 hour time frame. So in the next 3 candles that will be out here, they will release the CPI. So I'm not sure that next 3 candle can do anything. I'm not sure, but who knows? But if you wish to take a trade, if you see any of this setup I just mentioned now, is your call. You can do it, but I'm not sure. I'm not going to take any trade. I'll wait until after the CPI. Then I will look for a setup. So that is it, guys. Let's see how this will play out.